Today, we are diving into a topic that can truly transform the way you approach your goals and productivity. We are talking about the magic of the 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto principle. How you can achieve more with less effort. Let's jump right in. The 80-20 rule or the Pareto principle suggests that roughly 80% of your outcomes results from 20% of your efforts. This principle can be applied to various aspects of life, from business and time management to personal development. The key here is identifying and focusing on that crucial 20% that brings the majority of your results. Here's how you can leverage the magic of the 80-20 rule to achieve more with less effort. Rule number 1. Spot the most crucial elements. Find the key factors that drive your desired results. Concentrate on the 20% of tasks that delivers 80% of your outcomes. For example, in business, pinpoint the products or services that bring in the most revenue. Rule number 2. Focus on what matters. Once you know the essential tasks, give them priority. Direct your time and energy towards these impactful activities, preventing you from getting overwhelmed with less crucial ones. Rule number 3. Manage your time wisely. Use the 80-20 rule to concentrate on the task that really matters for your goals. Prevent this delay and boost productivity. Identify and cut out activities that don't contribute much to your objective to save time. Fourth, business approach. In business, concentrate on the most lucrative products, services, or clients. Enhance and fortify the crucial relationships that propel the majority of your business triumph. Consistently assess your business methods to guarantee efficient resource allocation. Fifth, self-improvement. Use the 80-20 rule for personal growth by emphasizing learning and skills that strongly impact your goals. Recognize and work on the most crucial areas in your life for the greatest impact. Sixth, delegate and outsource. Identify tasks beyond your expertise and think about passing them on or getting external help. This lets you concentrate on your strengths. Delegate time-consuming tasks that strongly not contribute to your main goals. Seventh rule, reflect and adapt. Frequently assess your action and their effects. Be open to change and shift your focus as circumstances evolve. When prioritize change, redistribute your resources to stay focused on the most important tasks. Eighth rule, thoughtful decision making. Use the 80-20 rule in decision making. Recognize the key factors with the most impact on the outcome and prioritize them. Now, as we conclude, remember that the 80-20 rule is a transformative concept that empowers you to achieve more with less. By concentrating on the crucial 20% that yields 80% of the results, you can simplify your journey to success. I encourage you to integrate this principle into your life and witness the remarkable transformations. If you found this video valuable, show your support by liking, subscribing our channel. Until next time, I am Priya Dalal signing off. Take care, prioritize the vital few, and may your efforts bring you maximum impact.